Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm going to draw C for cherry. Let's start drawing. First, I'm drawing letter C. Trying to draw and paint with me. Now I'm drawing cherry. I'm drawing its stump and leaf. The first is happy cherry. I'm drawing angry cherry. Great job! Now I use this marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's paint. Purple. I use purple color for letter C. I love drawing and painting so much. Red. I'm painting happy cherry. Always be happy. Good job. I'm painting angry cherry. Don't be angry with people. It's not good. Pink. Brown. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Green. It looks so amazing. See you on the next video.